Senator Godswill Akpabio, the Senate President, told President Bola Ahmed Tinubu there is a certain senator that has been begging him to join the All Progressive Congress, to join the Tinubu train. He told that senator to wait, that this is not the time yet to join. Who could that senator be? And what does that pertain to the issue of defection by opposition parties to the ruling party? I want you to hazard a guess. Who could this senator be who Akpabio was talking about? Labour Party senator that is begging Akpabio to join the All Progressive Congress. And does it matter even if all the senators of the Labour Party National Assembly defect to APC? Would that make any difference in the coming election? Now, the Senate President, Godswill Akpabio, when he spoke at the National Summit of the APC in Abuja, told President Bola Ahmed Tinubu that the girl of defections is because Nigerians love what he's doing or how he has been handling the country. That is why the nation is witnessing the gale of defections from the opposition parties to the ruling party. And this is what he said. Akpabio said that the number of states that are coming to join you, that's Tinubu, is increasing. As I was leaving, one senator was dragging my dress today. He said, please take me there. According to the Senate President, he explained to the Labour Party lawmaker that he cannot join the Tinubu train at the moment. I said to him, you cannot come now. And he is a Labour Party senator. I don't want to mention his name. He is in my car outside. Akpabio said, in other words, this Labour Party senator is so desperate that he was even in the car outside while this National Summit of APC was taking place. That's what Akpabio told Tinubu and the world, or those who tune in to the channels that broadcast that event live. So who could that senator be? Who could that senator be? As of May 2025, the Labour Party has about 5 senators, if my memory serves me right, in the 10th National Assembly. The number decreased to 5 following the defections of Senator Ezenwa Onyewuchi, who represented Imo East, who defected to the APC in July 2024. And then you have at the beginning of the Senate, there was another senator in November, Labour Party senator, whose election was annulled by the appeal court in Lagos. Senator Darlington Wokocha, representing Abia Central, his election was annulled. So because of this, the annulment and then the defection from Imo State, the number of senators, Labour Party senators currently in the Senate or the National Assembly, if you like, there are about 5 of them left. Currently, the senators of Labour Party include Tony Moye, Anambra North, Victor Ume, Anambra Central, Imeswan Neda Bernards, Edo North, Ezia Okechukwu, Enugu North, and Ireti Kingibe, Federal Capital Territory. These are the 5 senators that I know of who are presently in the Senate, who are presently in the Senate from the Labour Party. So which of these 5 people do you think Akpabio was referring to that was dragging his cloth, begging him to join APC, and he told him to wait, that this is not yet time? Akpabio said he will not name the name. But which of these 5 Labour Party senators do you think was waiting for Akpabio in the car outside while the National Summit of the APC was taking place? What you to mention, who do you think that senator was wanted to come put in the name to such thing on the comment section? Let us see whether you are right in the next perhaps in the next few weeks, in the next few months. That person will show his hand and the world will see him. But there's one thing that is very clear. It is that the Labour Party lawmakers in the National Assembly, both at the House of Reps and in the Senate, have not distinguished themselves or made themselves to be different from the APC or the PDP. They have flown along with whatever is happening in the Senate. When they were given car jeeps imported from Japan, many had expected the Labour Party lawmakers to demand for Nigerian-made jeep, but they flowed along. Many of them, their mouths have been shut because of the juicy committees that they have been made chairman. Because of that, they have failed to speak truth to power. They have failed to show that there is anything different between them and the APC. In fact, some of the greatest opposition coming from the National Assembly is not coming from the Labour Party or from the PDP or from APGA senators or House of Reps members. They are even coming from APC themselves. Senator Alain Dume has raised far more issues of fundamental importance, issues that are supposed to be raised by Labour Party senators. They are not raising it. It is Alain Dume, who is a member of the ruling APC, that has been the strongest voice in the National Assembly against so much wrong that is with the Tinubu administration. Why the PDP, why the Labour Party lawmakers, who are supposed to be change agents in the National Assembly, maintain sealed lips? So, with that kind of people in the National Assembly and the Senate in particular, Akpabio is free. It could be that he's just lying. It could be that he's just making it up, just to create scene, just to excite everybody in the summit and make Tinubu to be excited. But the truth of the matter remains that with the attitude of the Labour Party senators and House of Reps members, where they have failed to distinguish themselves and differentiate themselves from the ruling APC because of what they are enjoying, Akpabio may not be far from the truth. That is the gospel truth. He may not be far from the truth. that one of them is begging to join. But what I found funny is that he's begging. You don't need to beg Akpabio to join. Of course, Akpabio will have to announce your defection, but you don't have to beg him. All you need to do is to write a letter that you have defected from Labour Party, that Labour Party, the way it's presently constituted, you don't know who is the national chairman and all that, and all kind of stories. So that's the side of the story that I found very funny. But the whole essence of the whole thing is that Labour Party lawmakers, Labour Party senators have not shown that they are any different from the APC senators. So it shouldn't surprise anyone if any of them defect to the APC or is planning to defect to APC. But the issue is this: what difference will it make? It wouldn't make any difference. That would not be a reason to say that Tinubu is going to have a sweeping victory, because all the APC, Labour Party senators defected, all the PDP senators defected to APC. No, it is still the Nigerian people that will decide. We have seen that even governors couldn't deliver their states in the last election. So if governors cannot deliver their states, what difference can a senator make? Even these Labour Party senators, if you look at their history, these are people who stood no chance but for the P2B tsunami through the Labour Party. That's how they were able to be in the National Assembly. But once they got there, they began to streamline and line with the APC. Their defection cannot determine the outcome of the next presidential election. But they have failed their people who sent them to the National Assembly by not speaking out. Because the issues that are being raised by Alain Dume are issues that are supposed to be raised by PDP Labour Party senators, but they are not doing that. It's supposed to be raised by the PDP senators. They are not doing that. But that doesn't mean that Tinubu is going to have a walkover in the next election. I can tell you that for free. But among the senators that I mentioned to you now, which of them do you think was holding the cloth? Or like Senate President put it, holding his dress, begging him, take me there to the Tinubu train? Who among these do you think? From his conduct, is it Tony Woye, Anambra North, Victor Ome, Anambra Central, Emmanuel Neda Bernard, Edo North? Remember him? He was the one that investigated Natasha with all the controversies. He is the Senate Committee Chairman on public petition and all that. Then you have Eze Okechukwu, Enugu North, and the retaking Gibe. Which of them do you think is likely to be the person Akpabio is talking about? Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.